No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
What's up, guys? I know it's been a minute since my last video, but in today's video we're going to be bringing the Corvette back on the dyno and trying to turn it up a little bit since last time. Last time I was on the dyno, it made 700 horsepower and we ran out of injector, so we're going to be swapping from the 80-pound deck injectors to the genuine Bosch 1400 from Snake Eaters. So I'll keep it short and simple, so let's get to the video.
Your bitch tiptoeing on my marble floor. Red bottoms only for the centerfold.
So yeah, definitely want to shout out to the boys over at Horsepower Factory for getting me in this soon for a little sporadic retune. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the car and the power that it makes. We weren't able to cross that 1,000 wheel horsepower mark, but we made over 1,000 crank. So technically, if you want to measure, you could say you have a 1,000 horsepower car, but I'm just, it's not exactly the same thing. But transmission anyway really can't hold that much power anyway. If I keep it at that setting, I'm gonna have to baby the transmission because it's not, a TBD6 is not going to be happy at 1,000. So it's a little bit more I can beat on it at the lower power levels. So I don't know how often it will actually see 900, or even if I go back and make 1,000, So overall, I'm pretty happy with everything, but I already have another video that'll be coming up, which should be really funny. A little ride along. I took my mom for this before I basically came back out here. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you aren't already. Take care.